Another cold start of this XR100R. Oh, start right up. Alrighty then.
That's a Honda, what can I say?
Yeah. There she is. Oh shit.
Oh my gas on.
Now his little gas ain't on. There we go. There's the river. Look at it, it's frozen. That Tippecanoe River is frozen. Well, that part it ain't, but all the rest of it is. All the way up there. Pretty damn. That shows you how cold it is outside. This bitch is frozen. There's the house. All right. Later.